Well, Harbor Freight did a thing. I gotta tell you, did not see this coming. Talk about new tool drop. Oh my gosh. This is going to really rock some people's worlds. This just popped up on the website. Yes. Hold the don't be like, oh yeah, I don't no. That's not a US General, folks. That's a Yukon. Yukon, the entry level stuff, the 9 drawer, the one single drawer, the two cabinets, that Yukon, not a US General. We got a Yukon tool cabinet for real. This is I literally it just popped up. I've just seen this. I was going to go through it and then like give you a nice polished review, but no, I want to give you a first impression. So let's go. We're going to go through this together. Yukon 36 by 18 inch. It's going to be shallow, all right, 18 inch. This is for not a pro, okay? This is for the home gamer, all right? And let's be honest, if you've got a one-car garage or a two-car garage, you can't be putting a 30-inch deep cabinet because then you pull that thing out, that's 60 inches. What is that? Like 5 feet? That's pretty. 11 times 5 is 55. Those are 60. Yeah, 5 feet. So anyway, I'm bad at math. This is for the average home person, but oh my gosh, great work surface. Love that. For those of you who don't like the wood work surface, here you go. We're going to get in 3 colors. We got it in red, we got it in black, and we got it in blue. It looks kind of purple on my screen here. This looks blue. That looks kind of weird. Anyway, will there be other colors coming? I don't know. I'm going to be doing a full court press on all my contacts over at Harbor Freight, trying to get you more information. This is all we got right now. Why there isn't one in white? Well, clearly because they hate me. But anyway, let's do this. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers. We got a shallow, 2 mids, and a deep. Nice breakup on the drawers. I like that. The classic Yukon badge on it. We got a nice little side handle, some wheels on it. Let's go through the rest of the picks. Okay, we'll do it this way. We'll pull it up nice and big there for you. There it is, full on. Wow, this is gonna let so many people in on the whole tool chest game at a real, entry level kind of price. I'm excited to see this. Oh, look at this. We even got the keys, not just keys, folding keys. All right, if those guys don't know, people don't like regular keys because they put the key in there, they leave it, then you walk by, your hip hits it, and you clipped off your key in the toolbox. The folding key gets it in there, gets it out of the way if you want to leave it in there. It's just kind of a nice to have. I don't leave keys in there, but it's a nice upgrade. Surprised to see they did that on a box at this price point. There's the Yukon badge on it. Nice looking, all grizzly there. We got rails. I haven't looked on the specs. We're gonna look. We got double rails on the bottom one. Look, there's wheels. Who knew wheels? All right, let's look at some specs. All right, I'm clearly overly excited about this. 36 by 18, 5 drawer, 1,200 pound capacity, 10,300 cubic inches. That seems huge. Let's see here. Smooth ball bearing drawer slides. So we got ball bearing drawer slides, 1 200 pound and 4 100 pound rated drawers. Wow. So that bottom drawer is the 200 pound. The rest of them are 100 pound. Let's be honest. In a box this size, you're going to be hard pressed to go over 100 pounds in one of those drawers. Rust resistant powder coat, welded steel, keyed locking system. Overweight item is subject to, if you want it shipped to you, there's going to be an additional charge, okay? Specifications, there's all the specs on it. We're caster size, 5-inch casters on it. Color is curly blue. Product height is going to be 37.5 inches. Just so you know, like standard workbench is usually considered right at 36, sometimes between 32 and 36, but 36 is the standard, so we're just over standard workbench height. The 18-inch width, we call it width, but it's the depth. Size 36-inch, 1,200 pounds. Ball bearing, rust, 10,000. Locking, 2 fix. That's okay. Steel. Shipping weight's 150 pounds on it. Of course, no customer reviews on this. Let's see here. We're going to pull up the owner's manual. I doubt there'll be much in the owner's manual to really tell us about it, but let's go through it just quick. Make sure there's nothing in here. Do not open more than 1 drawer at a time. They're not joking about that. So clearly it doesn't have locking mechanisms, but most don't really. You have to get into some of the specialty items for that. Let's see here. We got the flat washer. We got the bolts going in. At least they're bolts, not screws on some of the older Craftsman stuff. As I said, I didn't think there'd be much in here. I will put a link to this down below. You're probably going to have to, when you get it, it's probably going to be the box. You'll have to put the mats in. You have to put the side handle on. You probably have to wheels on. Look, it comes with a wrench that you will not want to use, but If you have to, you have to. I will put a link to the product page down below. I'm stunned about this. Let's go back and let's talk about the price on this. $329, $330. That's not inexpensive, okay? So we come over here and we look at a US General. You've got the 30 or the 42 inch coming in at $600, and the 27 inch is $400. So let me change this to a color. We can actually see what's going on. We'll make it white there. Or how about yellow? There we go. Gives some good contrast. So you're looking at this box here, 22 inches, and versus, what do we got here? We're looking at 36. So was it 6, 7, 8, 9 inches? So sizably larger than this. It's $70 cheaper, and that's at launch. No sale prices. Remember, we talked about ITC. Usually when stuff launches, the first discounts show up on ITC. All right? There are exceptions to it. People are always like, well, this didn't and this didn't. Yeah, there's always exceptions, but I'm talking usually, okay? Anyway, let me know what you think. Is this going to change your game plan for the summer for 2026? You're reorganizing the shop or the garage. Is this going to be part of your game plan? And the next question is there going to be a top box? I would not. Don't plan on a hutch, okay? I think that's reaching too far. We're getting our hopes up a little too much, hoping for a hutch. But will there be bigger boxes? Will we see a larger box? Man, can you imagine a 56 in a Yukon? And they'd have full Yukon, US General, and Icon. And it would kind of make sense at this point because let's be honest, US General has stepped up to the point where I wouldn't even call it a prosumer box anymore. It's almost a value pro. I see them. I see Yukon boxes now showing up in pro shops. You guys don't know, I take the time to go around and drive by shops and talk to people and meet people who are out there, besides my viewers, go out there and do some field work and talk to, people who are actually doing this. And I do see them showing up occasionally. Some of the younger guys will get it as a starter box, and I'll see some of the older guys who are like, I needed a second box and I didn't want to pay tool truck prices because who does? Anyway, so of course Icon's out there, but honestly, I see more US General boxes in shops than I see Icon boxes. Now, this may just be a thing being up here in Montana, but I travel between Montana down to Vegas. But honestly, out west, I've seen mechanics be a little bit more thrifty than I see back on the East Coast. On the East Coast, I see guys throwing money and like to have all the bling and show off and stuff. And on the West Coast, maybe not California per se, but in the Rocky Mountain states, I've seen a lot more, looking at the value of it, the ROI kind of mindset, more practicality is what I would say. And if you think I'm wrong, put it down in the comments. Tell me that I'm wrong. In the shop you're in, it's not like that. But this right here, this Yukon box, this is a huge change. I just hope we're going to see more of it. Yes, I am going to be reaching right after this. I'm going to be reaching out to my contact. It's Sunday. I feel bad, but I'm going to be pestering the snot out of these guys. You got questions, put it down below. I will wait. Actually, I'll tell you what, I'll wait until Monday morning. Put all the questions you can down below, and I will see what I can do as far as trying to get them answered, all right? And we'll try and do a follow-up. So share this with, anybody who's looking at a box and stuff like that. Ask them, is this something they're going to be interested in? If not, what they're looking for. Anyway, if you like what we do here, bringing in all this new stuff, if you like the stuff, the deals, and all the stuff we talk about, go ahead and chomp the old like button, smash that subscribe, ring the bell on the way out. You all take care, God bless, and as always, shine on.